Germany walking tour in Hannover, district of Lower Saxony.
Deutschland-Rundgang in Hannover, Landkreis Niedersachsen.
Socialist dynamics, intellectual groundbreaking and mind-blowing pioneering solutions to global crises to save your life in Khalid Mohammed Osman's secular geopolitical and cultural environmental strategies and tactics of the era of the masses. In fact, global warming caused by the violation of the law of nature that led to the melting of snow leads to health damage through the emergence of epidemics and other weather diseases. These natural phenomena were caused by irrational policies practiced by political regimes through their bad exploitation of natural resources that protect the natural balance of the environment. To comprehend this paragraph, spend a little time on it, to understand and then follow the action guide to fulfill these solutions. You will say that you will need to build a network first around you, as an asset of development.
Germanize your journey. Can you describe your favorite place in this area and where you actually enjoy your time? Write that in comments. Break the barriers of passivism. Simply interact with the channel.
A friend in needed. Well, you know the rest.
Ein Freund in Not ist. Na ja, den Rest
of the places here are enjoyable. But, I'm really wondering, where do you actually enjoy your time? Can you tell me that in the comment?